Hey guys, I want to share with you a really quick tip that I use here in the shop. I've been doing this for years. You know, a lot of times, whether I'm using a little palm router or a bigger router or even the router table over here, and I'm changing out bits, I'll turn the machine off, but I don't always unplug it. And so what I've done, years ago, I got in the habit of, I write unplug on all of my wrenches. And it sounds stupid, a little corny, but when I pick the wrench up and I see the unplug, it's just a little safety reminder to me to just pull the cord, change the bit, plug it back in, and be safe. I hope this tip helps, guys. Have a great day.